I'm Sin. We're going to be making the Easter cup that you guys saw on the flyer.
What I think about the class is it was very interesting because I've never done this before. The instructor, Cynthia, was very thorough about teaching how to put the resin on and just gave us other ideas of how to make things look really, really nice.
Actually, this class was pretty amazing. For the first time, I was able to just let myself go and make friends.
My favorite part of the class was spending time with my family.
If they haven't ever worked with resin, I would suggest that you try it once because it is very, very interesting.
Don't be scared, because I was scared to work on resin and thinking maybe I'm gonna mess it up, but it's okay to mess up and start all over, and you enjoy it.